Now I'd love to make a beautiful butterfly and flutter it all over the place. So we've got a 321 bee body. I've chosen a pretty pink to make our butterfly with. And a contrasting colour. This will be the wings. And I'm going to tie the nozzle with the knot to make a big circle. We'll find the centre of the circle and make a figure of 8 shape and twist a couple of times. To make it really secure, you can even just bring that through like that. That acts as a bit of a security knot. Now then, let's make the shape of the butterfly's wings. So I'm just going to make a little shape of a V, grab it, and pull down. Gently to start with, and a little bit more strength. Warm it up, and gently bring it back out again. You might want to do it a second time if you feel it's not quite the shape that you want. We'll come down the other side and do exactly the same thing. Takes a little bit of strength, a little bit of effort. There. Now, come back to our little butterfly's face. Make a small bubble and twist a couple of times. Then I'll wrap those pretty wings right into the neck of the butterfly and bring her body down. Now, I think it'd be fun to draw a face on our little butterfly. So I'm going to draw some pretty eyes. Now, because it's a little girl butterfly in pink, I'll add some eyelashes too. Pretty. And the same on the other side. I've done quite big eyes. I like the open-eyed effect here. And again, the little eyelashes. No, she's a happy butterfly, so we're going to give her a happy smile. Now, let's watch her flutter, shall we? There she goes.